performing for the Cebu audience. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga taong nanood. Nakakataba ng puso ang bawat palakpak at hiyaw ninyo. To all the popsters who gave their support na galing pa sa iba't ibang lugar, you make me feel so loved. Super thanks to the producers and to everyone who has helped in making 24SG Cebu Leg possible. I love you, Cebu! The Philippine tour of 24SG has started, and I hope to see you guys in our next destinations. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry. Much love, Sarah.
Yes, iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat na manood po ng concert ko po.
And Bamboo. And I wouldn't feel so confident on stage without my musical director, Sir Louis Ocampo, and all of the members of the entourage. Thank you so much for joining me in making 24SG Cebu a show to remember.
Tonight, as I was watching her, pa-improve siya ng pa-improve. Mas nagmamature siya sa kanyang mga skills, sa kanyang mga moves, sa kanyang relations sa audience.
Mga Pinoy, we know our music, alam natin. Lahat naman tayo dyan, I bet you 80% sa audience yan kaya kumanta. Right? Kaya kumanta on key, on note, and everything. So that's a tough crowd to please, wherever in the world, diba? So I think, yeah, sa atin dito, we're a country that sings, man. You know, that's our soul. You know, natin. So, we live by that. That's a great thing with live, with performers. When you play, any given night, di mo lang mangyayari. And that's sort of been my thing, my whole career. Diba? Any night, pakiramdam lang yan. Ano mangyayari. We will leave it all on stage. So, and Sarah, that's the same. So I appreciate that. And thank you.
Feeling ko na-miss nila si Sarah na ganito kalaking show dito. Maraming factors. And honored ako na part ako nung first stop man lang. I feel that it was a very good blessing kay Sarah na hindi na hinintay ng itaas na umabot siya na 1 decade. 9 pa lang binigay na yung hit concert na may karugtong na hit DVD, album, and kabuntot na tour.
It was a great opportunity for us dito sa Cebu na makita yung concert na 24SG kasi I've been watching YouTube para dito sa 24SG doon sa Araneta. Sobrang ganda kaya na-excite ako at it was an honor to watch this event.
Chance to live my dream. A chance para mas manihawa po. Mas maganda po ang buhay na Panginoon ko, ang buhay ko. The chance to share my music to all of you. Kahit ako hindi ko talaga perfecto na kumanta, pero kung pagkabahan ko kayo sa mga questions ko para po pakinggan ako. Pero,
Pag ang isang artist napakasipag mag-reach out sa iba-ibang part ng Pilipinas, sa iba-ibang part ng mundo, yung natutulungan niyang singers, performers, crew, musicians, nabe-bless din. Di ba? Nabe-bless din. So, sana laging inspired si Sarah, gaya ng pinakita niya ngayon. Maraming career ang natutulungan din niya. Every step of the production, from top to bottom, nagbe-benefit. I'm looking forward and even backward. Sometimes even sideward, but mostly onward to the next cities. Isabela is our next stop. Diyan nakaka-intriga kasi never pa ako nagpunta. First time.
okay naman. Thankful kami sa bawat Cebuano na nanonood ng gabing yun.
Of course, 101 as a producer, walang masabi. Sinulog is every year. So, I have a show here every year. So, kailangan mapantayan o malampasan natin yung show na yan.
Ang ganda-ganda ng show na ang sese ko nakita ko siya ngayon. Kasi first time ko pong nakita siya malapit na malapit talaga.
Amazing! She's so amazing! Pinag-ipunan ko po talaga. December ko pa binili ang ticket.
Hindi ko makalimutan ito. First time VIP experience. Happy-happy nga ako eh. Actually, absent ako ngayon para nandito.
It was so great. I don't know. I'm shaking. I'm still shaking. For meeting Sarah, I'm her greatest fan. I don't know what to say, but she's so pretty. And I see and I can really feel that she's not only very talented, but she's really genuine, a very good person. That's why I'm her fan. I don't know what to say. I practiced this for so many long years. I practiced what to say. And then the only thing I could do was say how beautiful she was and that I was so happy to meet her.
Opo, sulit na sulit po talaga. Galing pa kami ng Southern Leyte. Ito lang po talaga yung pinunta namin dito. Nag-absent pa ako sa work ko. Kasi sinamahan ko yung kapatid ko. Muntik na ako. Walang picture. Talagang napakagaling ni Sarah. Idol ko talaga siya. Kasi, star-shock.
Yes, our beloved Cebuanos, thank you very much for taking time to be here tonight, to watch me perform dito po sa Waterfront Hotel. Maraming salamat po at sana po hindi po kayo magsawa. Thank you! It has been so fun performing for the Cebu audience. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga taong nanood. Nakakataba ng puso ang bawat palakpak at hiyaw ninyo. To all the popsters who gave their support na galing pa sa iba't ibang lugar, you make me feel so loved. Super thanks to the producers and to everyone who has helped in making 24SG Cebu Leg possible. I love you, Cebu! The Philippine tour of 24SG has started, and I hope to see you guys in our next destinations. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry. Much love, Sarah.
Yes, iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat na manood po ng concert ko po. 24SG sa Isabela. That will be on January 30. Yan, kasama po namin ulit si Christian Bautista at si Bamboo. Of course, Mr. John Santos. Kasama po namin.